Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got the Marvelous Marble collaboration from Instagram. This one's hosted by Polished Opinions and Skull Lover Nails. Yay! Our theme was all the purples. Let's get going. I'm using some of the Temu tips. See, these are the long coffins. I'll be using bases loaded like Uncle Fingerbinger, and it's 30-pound rutabaga, and Arizona Fall League. That's a mouthful. I've got my little cup of water, room temperature, regular water. I put my first drop in and run my toothpick around the cup to spread the polish to the edge so it can kind of anchor. And then I'm just going to do alternating drops of the light purple and the dark purple until I'm satisfied with the size of the bullseye. And today I'm going to do a different design on each nail. I couldn't really commit to one design or the other. This right here is your basic flower petal design. I am going to swish out the tips at the end. I'll show you in just a second. This is so much fun. This is like my jam right here, water marbling. Alright, swishing the tips out. I love this. This is what made me a nail polish junkie, water marbling. I was convinced I was going to learn how to do it, and I did. It's about finding polishes that work. Alright, so I got my little tips on a woody stick with some little sticky tack. And I'm dipped it in the water over the design area I wanted. And I'm blowing on the top of the cup a little bit to get that nail polish to dry so I can scoop it up with my little toothpick here. You want to get everything off the top of the water so it doesn't land on your nail. Alright, so there's the first one. We're going to just continue on, build up another bullseye. Same thing, run that toothpick around the cup and let it anchor, and then build up our bullseye. And I actually thought about doing a blooming kind of marble today, but I don't get to water marble very much, so I was like, no girl, you stop that thinking, you just go on and do a water marble. Alright, went out from side to side. This is the like little chevron design, or you can squiggly lines, zebra pattern. It could have all kinds of names. Pick out a part and dip in. I am holding that little paper cup with my hand a little bit because I have knocked this over before. Not fun. There we go. And run it around. Ta-da! And Bases Loaded Lacquer / Brave Diva, the artist normally, or formerly known as Brave Diva, is on a hiatus right now from making polishes. But if you own any of her creams, they water marble like a dream. I've had other luck with Sally Hansen Extreme Wear, China Glaze, OPI. I've had other polishes that do, but you just kind of need to play with them and test them to see. But all of the creams from Bases Loaded Lacquer, Braves Diva, have all just always worked wonderful for me. So normally when I'm water marbling, I go to those drawers in my Helmers first, looking for the colors I want. There we go. That's just a regular flower petal design on that one. And this one I'm going to do some like little swirls. Some more little swirly swoops. I am very grateful that I got my hands on as many of the Bases Loaded Lacquers and Braves Diva polishes that I did while she was hot on it. I mean, for years, anytime she put anything out, I was like stalking the website waiting for the sale to go live. And I'm glad I did that. Maybe one day she'll come back and do some more for us. We'll see. I hope so. I hope she does, because she's the queen of it. The queen. I love it. All right, last one. We got our little swirly swoops. And we're going to clean up the polish off the top of the water real quick again. And I'm going to let these dry for quite a bit before I top coat them. It's not going to really matter. I'm still going to end up with some smearing. I had some bubbles, so I'm popping them down with my finger. I'm going to add some of this gold Northern Lights on top of it, just because I'm a junkie and, you know, I wanted a little bit of sparkle going on. And then once that's dry, I'm going in with the Eliana's Collection Quick Dry Top Coat. And, you know, even though it's smeared, I was okay with it because this is a marble. They're not supposed to look perfect. And it's not just awful smearing. So, you know, we'll get over it. I'm going to put these on with some glue tabs. I do have 3 swatch photos coming up. I'd really like it if you'd let me know which pose you prefer, which you like the best. There we go. Number 1. And then number 2. And then finally pose number 3. Alrighty, that's it for me. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.